Hi there, I'm going to show you how to replace a battery in this key fob. This is out of a Hyundai Ioniq. You do not need any tools, but you do need one of these 2032 batteries. You can get these off Amazon. They're just a couple bucks, and there's a link below in the description. So here's what you want to do. First, press this button down, pull your mechanical key out. Next, take your mechanical key, and you want to insert it right here, and just give it a little twist. Separate the two halves. Okay, now your battery's under here. May not come off very easily, but you can get access to it. Just take your key and just kind of pry the end up. Okay, so now you have access to your battery. Take your key, just pry right here. Take your old battery out, and your new battery goes in positive side facing down. And then you want to put these two halves back together, give it a good squeeze. Should go together very easily, and you test to make sure it works. See that little red button there, and you're all set. Thanks so much for watching. Hope this was helpful. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button.